Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out some of the best UX UI design communities that you can join today and start growing and connecting with designers worldwide. By the way, thank you guys for this wonderful play button, which is courtesy of you guys. If you all hadn't subscribed to the channel, clicked on the subscribe button, this would never happen. So thank you so much for this wonderful award. Thank you YouTube for providing this platform. So the first platform we're checking out is called Designer Slack Communities. And as the name suggests, it has a giant list of Slack communities for designers, developers all over the world. Now, the special thing about this website is that you can search by name, country, city, description, whatever you think you can search by, you can do it. So I'm just going to search UX India. And apparently it shows you Indian UX design communities. So basically, this is helping you find Slack design communities all over the world, 158 active communities, which can easily be filtered by location, which can be filtered by the type of groups. So you have UX, UI, typography, software, remote work. So no matter what you're looking for. Now, this is one of the only Discord links that I could find for this group. It's called GSIUXD. So this is a really cool platform where learners, beginners, students, as well as seniors come together so that they can teach each other or learn from each other. As you can see, this is all about UX design as well as UI design and careers related to that. And I generally check this community out and it's almost always active. As you can see, 279 members are online with 7,000 members. Now, this is a community-based platform or tool, which is unlike any other that I've seen in the market. TimeStripe is basically a community-run board. So people from the community, just like you and I, come together to create some really cool lists on this platform. So there's life principles, reading lists and books. There are best restaurants where you should travel to. So basically, it's not just for designers. In fact, it's for everybody in the world. So if you're a developer, designer, you want to find cool stuff around you to do, or you want to see things around design and creativity, you can do this as well. So content writing flow template is right here. You have databases, again, reading lists, travel, health, strategy, templates. So basically, you're looking at an entire life board for creatives, developers, etc., created by people just like you and I. Designer Hangout is probably one of the most exclusive boards out there. In fact, even I haven't gotten an invite yet. If somebody from Designer Hangout is looking, I'm looking to join. So you can request an invite for them for sure. These are run and organized by people, side companies like Adobe, InVision, SitePoint, and Wired. So you're looking at the top-notch folk. It's basically a Slack community that you can be invited to with real-time chat, influencer Q&As happening all the time, an actual job board, again, very exclusive for sure, newsletters. So yes, you can also sign up to their newsletters, mentorship, free mentorship for everyone, as well as local events. So this is a one-stop shop for UX designers. Unfortunately, it's not available to the public as such. There is a request and invite and very few people are able to get in. But if you are able to get in somehow, or if you know somebody who's in, make sure you ask them for an invite. I think this will be really cool. The next resource is really cool. It's called API Who Design. So basically people who are in the Asian Pacific regions, including Indians, Chinese, Japanese, Taiwanese, Malaysian. You're going to find people just like us right here on the board. Now, it's not only Asian people who are there. There are other mentors from other countries, other backgrounds who belong to this group. The best thing is that this site has two sections. One is, of course, these wonderful people listed, whoever's a part of this community and who wants to lend their mentorship or help to you guys. Or there is an actual good Slack community with almost 800 people on there. Again, very serious designers from all across Asia who are on this community. I think this is really cool. They also have filters, so you can actually speak to specific people in a specific kind of filter. So if you're looking for UX designers, only UX designers will pop up. If you're looking for UX writers, there are UX writers on this. So the region specific one right here, this is called Blacks Who Design. Again, people who are from an African descent, or in general people of color, you will find a lot of people on this platform. Apart from that, they also have a certain, section where you can suggest black creators or black designers in your community to be on this board. I like the fact that all these communities are specific to certain backgrounds or certain here. So if you're a woman in general, you can just come here, chill out with these wonderful ladies, and also connect with a lot of designers, engineers, whatever you're looking for, just like all the other communities. They also have something called a jobs board. So this is a very active jobs board where you can post a job or find a job just for you. So I am assuming for the time being that these jobs are with companies who welcome a lot of women and are also looking at either equal pay in the environment or have an inclusive environment in their jobs, because that will serve a better purpose for women to empower them. But okay, this is a community I've interacted with before, as well as I've been to one of their events as a speaker. It's called People Who Design. This is founded by a bunch of Indian designers who are really talented in their fields. Easiest way to connect to them is to connect with their WhatsApp group. So if you're on WhatsApp, this is easy. You don't have to install Slack or Discord. It's that easy. However, there are very few spots left on these WhatsApp groups. So if you want to be a part of these WhatsApp groups, either ask somebody who's a part of this design group, or you just have to wait till they, kind of have more spots left. But check it out anyways. I know this next one's not a community, but Ashish, who created the first CRED design system, has come up with another CRED UI kit called Neopop UI kit, with all the amazing new, typographies and components that is available in the new CRED, design system. So I think this is really cool. All the updated assets, card designs, page designs, and overall, I think he's done a really good job on not only replicating the actual CRED app design, but also bringing a really cool organized design system. So again, free of cost, everything on this is free. Ashish, you gotta start charging for these things, man. But again, really cool platform. It just got released. Check it out. Really cool guy. I think you'll enjoy this design kit a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then make sure you hit that thumbs up. It was a nice and short video with some really cool assets that I had to show you guys. I'll be here once again every week, so make sure you subscribe as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. God bless.